When we speak, something invisible becomes real. The air carries thought, intent, and vibration. This is the mystery of Os, the rune of the spoken word. In our Mayan system, Os is where breath becomes communication, and communication becomes creation. It is the bridge between the mind and the world, between what lives inside you and what seeks to reach others. When you chant Os, Os, you're not just making a sound, you're tuning yourself to a higher current, the cosmic rhythm that moves through every word, every spoken truth. That's why the mantra says, through Os, I'm receiving the finest cosmic energies. Each syllable becomes a channel. When you speak with awareness, you draw in the subtle current, refining your own energy and awakening your capacity to both express and receive wisdom. But Os isn't only about speaking. It is about listening. Listening beyond words to the intent, the vibration, the truth behind the sound. In silence, Os becomes the ear of the soul, attuned to the whisper of the gods, to intuition, to the quiet voice within that knows before the mouth can say. In everyday life, this can be beautifully simple. When you're in a conversation, pause for a moment and recall the rune Os. Let it become an inner focus point. You're no longer just hearing the words. You are feeling the energy exchange, the flow that moves between speaker and listener. You start to sense the message beneath the language, the emotion, the intent, the truth that often hides in the spaces between words. This is how we time ourselves with the runes in a practical way. We bring them into real moments. With a gentle recall of Os, your awareness shifts and you become present, open and responsive. Your intent pushes the rune, and the rune activates a higher intelligence, a sharper awareness, a finer perception of meaning. It becomes a conscious participation in the living current of communication. In the Havamal, Odin says he learned the runes through sacrifice and hanging on the tree in silence. The rune Os reminds us of that same balance. The power to speak wisely is born from the willingness to listen deeply. Every conversation, every prayer, every chant is a small echo of that eternal dialogue between human and divine, between breath and spirit. So next time, when you find yourself speaking, pause. Feel the current moving through your voice. Let Os carry your words with clarity and let it teach you to listen with reverence. Through Os, I am receiving the finest cosmic energies, and through my listening, I return them back to the world.